ड्यूरिंग समर वेकेशन स्टूडेंट्स जनरली हैव टू ऑप्शंस, या तो वो इंटर्नशिप ढूंढते हैं या फिर घर पे टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं. बट व्हाट इफ आई टेल यू देयर इज आल्सो अ थर्ड ऑप्शन, बिकॉज देयर इज अ थर्ड ग्रुप ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स which is living in IT Mandi campus, and as you can see in the B-rolls, they are attending classes there and also building projects. And honestly, when I saw the projects that they are building, it was obvious to me that this deserves a video. And I'm sure most of you must be aware of IT Mandi, but many of you don't know that there's a batch of Himshikhar 2026 going on there right now. And since the last few weeks, students from different parts of the country are living in Kaman Valley, Himachal Pradesh at the IT Mandi campus. And the thing that I found interesting was that this is not a typical workshop. It's a fully residential program जहाँ learning classroom के बाहर भी continue रहती है. Throughout the day, you will be having faculty-led sessions, tutorials, labs and project works, followed by industry mentor sessions where industry experts review the students' ideas and give valuable feedback. But for any program, the academics are not the important part. The most important part is the environment that it provides. And Himshikhar 2026 precisely does that, because it provides an environment where every student is trying to build something and they're using their summer vacations mindfully. Because this program is not just focused on theory, it requires you to build projects and at the end present them in a boardroom demo in front of industry and academic leaders. And I've already made a video about Himshikhar 2026 when the program was about to be launched. And now that I've seen it unfold, it would be totally fair to say that it's going on as envisioned. But many of you seeing this video now must be thinking that wish I had known about this a month ago and I would have also enrolled in this. Or it could be the case that you had seen the video but committing 2 months for it was simply not possible. And that's why IT Mandi is launching a new 1 month residential program. It's going to be exactly as residential as the current program. You will be living in hostels, studying classrooms, and would be part of the same immersive ecosystem. And the focus of this program would be on AI driven analytics and coding. In the next 1 month, you will be learning Excel, SQL, Python, NumPy, machine learning workflows, and AI powered analytics. And this is not going to be some old theory and jargon. You will be attending masterclass by industry professionals, and they will be teaching you about applied AI, which is directly useful in the industry, like prompt engineering and LLM and agent workflows. But the good part is it's not just limited to learning the tools. At the end of the day, you will be required to build projects from it and gain real world insights. And if we talk about the live classes, then you will be learning from IT Mandi faculty, and there would be tutorial sessions by IT PhD teaching assistants. And by the time you're done with the program, you're done with your projects, you will receive the certificate of completion by Center of Continuing Education IIT Mandi, and you will also receive project completion recognition. And the eligibility part is the most straightforward. You just need to be 12th pass and below 35 years of age. Whether you're an undergraduate, a college dropout, or just graduated, or maybe you're an industry professional, you can apply to this program. And for confirming your seat, you need to fill the application form, and then there would be a aptitude and reasoning assessment totally online. And once you're done with the counseling interaction, you will be officially part of the program. And honestly, the curriculum and the certification is not at all the most important part of any program in the current AI age. Industry requires you to be a team player. You need to have interpersonal skills. You need to know how to build projects and solve real world problems, and this program prepares you for exactly that. And maybe you'll think 1 month is a short duration, but sometimes that's all it takes to orient you in the right career trajectory. And now if you actually think that this program aligns with your goals, I've placed the website link in description. It will lead you to the official program page where you can research for yourself whether it's the curriculum, the student life, dates, eligibility, the complete detail is available there. Research yourself and decide if that's the best use of your summer break. And that's it for me. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments, and bye.